So I have come back to the lots that I am very, very interested in with my sisters, and Melanie is really liking the areas so far. I'm surprised because she's kind of like too good for everything. But these lots are so well priced. They're really well priced. What'd you say? What'd you say, Melanie, please? Anyway, where's the wrap? Where's the stuff, Melanie? Where's the wipes? Good. Anywho, so yeah, we're out here looking. I'll show you some of the lots I am in love with. But this is going to prevent me from my usual thing I've been talking about for years, getting a car anytime soon. Because it's either I buy the lot or I buy a car. And honestly, I really want to have my own place that I just have to where I can put all my tools and come up to and be. You know, it's my landing zone. My mom has been nice enough to let me use her place as a landing zone because I did in fact move from Logan in June, and I've been crashing at her place, but I am on the hunt for a property ASAP. So I am loving this location. And we'll get into more of like, you know, what I've been up to since I took my break. But we're here, it's beautiful. Some of the roads are accessible in the winter. The ones that I really love are not. You'd have to have a snowmobile or four-wheeler with tracks on it, and the price is amazing. I know some people in other states can get like 5 acres for, I don't know, $40,000, but that's not really happening in Utah for a worthwhile location. We don't have just forests with trees to pick from. We have like desert or this kind of a place, but it's beautiful. And the lots that have water, they're an acre, they are $37,500. The lots without water are $26,000, which is honestly a steal in Utah. There's no power though. You have to have your own solar, and you have to have septic. So that's fine, living off the grid. I mean, you know, we can do that.
You're my bestest baby. That's not.
She's talking about me. I'm her bestest baby. So Melanie's really liking these areas. I'm surprised because she is pretty hard to please. She really is. So we were able to come to an area that I was not able to make it because Melanie has an all-wheel drive. And it's gorgeous, dude. It's so gorgeous. You always have to come to the property and look, because what you see on a map is going to be so different. Because I thought I was dead set on these certain lots, but it's just like a cliff. Hopefully this isn't too windy, but it was a cliff, and the ones across the street from it are money. But it's beautiful. Like, look at this. Way, way, way up there, there's pine trees, but that's way too high access for me. Because I'm pretty sure they do not plow up here yet. It's a matter of time until more of these lots are sold and they plow in the winter. But I think right now, yeah, we are 7,200 feet in elevation, and there's cactus up here. So that's kind of confusing to me, because I did see cactus in Arizona at high elevation, but I don't know. It leads me to believe that maybe there's not as much snow as I'm thinking there would be. But I'm like super excited about this place because it's pretty and it is really reasonably priced, and I could get into it. And there's a lot of people who have, you probably can't really see, but I haven't showed very much, but they have their trailers up here, and you can come up for the weekend or week, like a maximum of 7 days. And if you want to be up here full time with a trailer or for a long period of time, you have to have a septic system in place. And you can't have fire pits or fires up here, but I did see a lot with a fire pit. So it leads me to believe, like, I just don't know how strict they are with things. But yeah, you can kind of see in the background like some dots of trailers, and it's thundering, as you can probably hear. So we are on our way out. So we're up here in like no man's land where there's definitely not plowing in the winter, and there's definitely not going to be water. So we're hiking up this, and I really shouldn't be because I have torn my plantar fascia.
Rachel, you should be on this.
Melanie, you wanted me to walk up here with you.
I don't. I will video up here.
You said, are you coming? Whatever. I'm on my way. So, anyway, you know, we buy a lot down low, and then in a few years, once this is more developed, buy a lot up here. Bro, but I totally want, I gotta figure out how to buy a lot up here. I think this is it. It's beautiful. We're probably, I'm gonna say at least 8,500 feet elevation. That is beautiful. Yeah, so I'll talk about my injury another video. But anyway, I feel like I already have BO, dude. Put deodorant on. What's that? Look, I think that's a cell tower up there. Do you think that's a cell tower? Do you have service?
Yeah.
What's the elevation?
Full bars.
Download, yeah, because that's a cell tower, dude. Download my elevation app. iPhone probably doesn't have it because they suck. Where the heck is that?
Don't. They have the best security.
Where the heck is that house?
My altitude.
Well, I have my
I already
elevation.
have it on my phone.
Okay, well, what are we?
7,700.
What? That's it? Bro. Oh, shoot. Okay.
They have 179 acres up here for 1.3, but it's under contract. Yeah, I'm not looking for not looking for $1 million property. Holy shiz.
Yeah, you were. Oh, look at a little chipmunk under that tree.
Cute.
Wait, is that? What is that? Oh no, is that a
outside our
squirrel?
price range.
Anyway, okay.
But thank you. We're gonna keep
But this is what's it.
period.
Not this high, though.
Beautiful place up here.
This is beautiful. 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 Gorgeous.
180 acres.
Woo! Hello. Hi. Woo! Whoop whoop. Okay, that's annoying. Okay, I am so exhausted. It was a 14-hour day today. Very productive. We looked at a lot of lots, probably too many lots. And I am like really interested in the ones where I did most of the filming. I didn't film any other lots that we went to, but it's after 11 o'clock. We started at, I was a little late, but we met at like 9:30. It's after 11. So it's been a very long day. I just need to see about things because I was looking at lot loans and how much those are, or maybe I do take some money out of my property, but my sister was talking to me about that stuff because she is more familiar with that, and I've never taken out equity of my properties, and I wanted to do it just for my Orderville stuff, but I don't know. It might be all sixes because the lot loans, 10 years at like 8%. Then there's there's a total of 3 options. The 10-year, 8%, and then a 20 and a 30-year with a 5-year balloon. I mean, I'm sure that would probably be okay because the lots are fairly inexpensive. But I just really hate that. And then, you know, with the rates, it's like my sister was talking to me about what options there could be for my equity, and it's almost 6s maybe to refinance and pull money out, like the interest rates suck, or she talked about a second mortgage, which would suck too. And so, or I just do a lot loan to buy 2, because you can buy 2 for $60,000. It was like $850 for 10 years. So anyway, that's the story for now. I really like it. Oh, I did, when we were looking at some other lots, there was a guy pulling out, and we were in the same area, and he had on the side of his truck the excavation and construction. So I was like, hey, can I ask you some questions? Because I'm not familiar at all with land. Excuse me. And so I was just like, how much does it generally cost? And of course, I don't know the size of what I don't know, what is it called, whatever it's called, would be. But he said typically like RV pad size is $3,000 to $4,000. And but I'm gonna contact a couple other people and ask what their costs would be. And it just is it varies a lot because the lots are all different. You know, you have some that you dig into the side of the mountain, or you have others that are on the downhill. So anyway, I almost forgot to finish this video out. I'm very good at doing that because I'm just like so exhausted, but my videos don't make sense. But that is where we are for now. I am very serious about this, and I would rather have the land sooner than later before the car, just because then they'll raise prices on the land and the car will just have to come eventually. So, or maybe the lot doesn't happen right now, but I really just want my own space that I don't rent out. It's just mine and mine alone. So anyway, if anybody is familiar with purchase of land and anything else that involves it, I would love to hear from you, what you have to say about your experience and any tips that you can offer. And I hope you'll stick around to see what I do with this situation. And I thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you all for sticking with me, and that is all. I will see you in my next video. Bye.